Welcome to Wonder Tales. Have you ever seen an ice cream cone that wouldn't stop melting? Well, that's exactly what happened to Max one sunny day. He was in the park, all set to enjoy a big, swirly ice cream cone. But as soon as he lifted it to his mouth, the cone started to squirm and squeak, "Too hot! Too hot! I'm melting!" And melt it did. The ice cream cone slipped from Max's hand and zipped around like a rocket, leaving behind trails of rainbow cream. Max tried everything he could think of to keep the ice cream cool. He stood in the shade, blew cool air on it, and even used an umbrella. But the cone just kept melting and running away. When Max tried to cool the cone with a mini fan hat, the cone just laughed and said, "Nice try, Max, but this sunshine is too spicy." Max was at his wit's end, but then he had an idea. He pulled out a cooler full of ice and set the cone inside. The cone sighed in relief and said, "Much better. Much." From that day forward, Max learned a valuable lesson. He always packed a little ice cave for his silly, chatty ice cream cone whenever he knew he'd be out in the sun. Some treats, it seems, just need a little chill to stay sweet. And Max, well, he never had to chase a melting ice cream cone again. Instead, he got to enjoy his ice cream in peace, listening to it hum a happy tune from the comfort of its cool, icy cave. Thanks for chasing the melting giggles with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more silly, sweet stories. Stay cool and keep smiling.